Hey guys, welcome back. If you're new here, welcome. My name is Dagny. Today we are doing a February Glossybox unboxing. I don't say Glossybox a lot. That was different, I guess. Mouthful, maybe that's what the words I'm looking for. I don't know. So it is February. And it is like the end of March. But that's because I signed up for the March one because you get a surprise box, and I got it today and it's like it's the February box. So I'm like, wow, I might as well just call it the February unboxing, right? Or should I call it the mystery box? Maybe I'll put the Glossybox mystery box unboxing? Glossybox February mystery box unboxing? I don't know. But I'm not sad about it because this box is really, really cute. Look at it. It's got a cassette on it. And then on the top it says Sing, Dance, Love, Repeat. It says mixtape and it's pink. And it's all sorts of cute. And I'm really excited to see what's in it. If you don't know what Glossybox is, it is a monthly beauty subscription. I believe it's, what is it in the States? 21 or something? I can't quite remember how much I paid to get this one and the March one. But it's a little bit more pricey, of course, for Canada because of everything, right? And shipping fees. But I will leave the link below because I cannot remember anything right now about the box other than it's a beauty subscription. Anyway, let's get into it. I'm really excited. First, we have a flyer about Geico. That's the craziest thing to put in a subscription box. I guess if you need insurance. What are you doing, Glossybox? Oh my goodness. Okay, moving on. Love the packaging. It's so cute. They got the bow. Look at the headphones. Ah, I love headphones. Love it. I'm gonna have to like keep all the above in this box. So careful opening it because I want this wrapping paper. There we go. Nice and easy. Okay. So we've got a card. I think this is like my second Glossybox, other than like the old ones that I did a video on about before. Oh, we've got it's like a little booklet. It tells you about the products in the box. Very nice. Kind of exciting. Cool. I'll refer to it if I need to. So the first thing I'm pulling out is Collagen Eye Patch by Lapcos. I have no idea how to say that. Very nice packaging though. I love a good eye mask, so that's really exciting. Never heard of the brand, but yeah, give it a shot. That's cool for the first item. The next item I see is... Oh, what? Sorry, there's hair on my lip and it's tickling me. This is Avient. Avient? I never know how to say it. But it's the Velvet Perfecting Rose Sugar Lip Scrub. Super cute. I love this brand. I have been using the micellar water that I got from BoxyCharm box for the past couple weeks, and I absolutely love it. So super pumped to have this. I would test it, but I already have stuff on my lips right now. So we'll just put that aside for later. Okay, and the next things I see are the same packaging. Oh, okay, we've got a shampoo and I believe, yeah, conditioner from Natural Ecos. Natura. That's what it's called. It's a Petunia. Oh my god, I don't know how to say these words. Strengthening shampoo and conditioner. So this rich repairing shampoo and conditioner is formulated with Petua oil. Oh, it's some kind of oil. Okay, cool. From Brazil to strengthen, protect, and treat dry, damaged, and unruly hair. Oh, that sounds good. I've been going through like all my samples because I have so many. So I'm like, I better start using some of these and trying some of these products. So what do we have here? This is the conditioner. Let's see if I can get this to focus a little bit. Very cute. I like the bottle. I'll probably end up keeping it. Keep stuff like that for just, you know, anything and everything. And then we've got the shampoo. Very nice. Looks like shampoo and conditioner. Oh, it's got a really nice smell. It must be that oil. I feel like I've smelled it before. I'm not very good at describing things, but it smells really good. Ooh, on the box it says, we are vegan, we use fair trade, biodiversity ingredients from the Amazon. 96% natural origin. Oh, I'm super pumped. As I throw, that's like right up my alley, so I'm really excited for this. All right, next item. I think I got a little bit of shampoo on my face. Next item I see is SYS. I have a few of their products. I have not, I've honestly never tried them. They're just sitting in my drawer. But this one's SYS Superfood for your skin, moisturizing cream with prickly pear and probiotic for dry skin. High-tech superfood cosmetics. This is what the box looks like. If you've tried this brand or know anything about it, let me know in the comments, because I've really never tried any of them. In the inside it says, I care for the environment, find all the information inside. Oh, that's cool. That's good. I like when products care for the environment. That's a really nice packaging. Very sleek. Cool. Okay, I think we are on, why do I have to see her and like everything? Bella Pierre, and I got sparkles everywhere. It is a shimmer powder. Oh, you could either get Wow, Coral Reef, or Reddish. What did I get? Wow, and it looks like a pinky color. I don't want to open it because it's gonna get everywhere, but it looks like a nice shimmery pink. I think didn't I just get something like this in another subscription box? I believe I did. I totally did. I got the copper one. What was this? Probably Look Fantastic, I feel like it would have been. Or was it Top Box? One or the other. But yeah, now I have two. That's super cool. We will test those out for another day. But yeah, so we got 5, 1, 2, 3, 4. Well, technically 6 products in this mystery box, February box. The products aren't bad. I'm actually super thrilled about them, especially the shampoo and conditioner. I'm definitely gonna stick that in my shower right away. I'm gonna put this in my fridge for later. But what do you think? Do you guys get Glossybox? It's not really for Canadians. The conversion, the shipping fee, it's not, I don't find it's like super worth it, so I don't get it a lot unless they have like a super good deal, you know? But this month's not bad. I'm super excited to try the products. And yeah, let me know what you think in the comments. But that's all I have for you today. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you have a fantastic evening. Bye.